Ah, look at that, people. I'm running the grill you know. See it? Now run the grill. Why? Oh, they may look like them soon ready to take out, man. People, look. And that now dinner. And all the chicken neck they will put in there, you know, guys. See? You push them down like that. You don't make them burn up too much, you understand? Make them taste good. And don't put too much fire underneath it, you know? Like that. You're nice, look, people. Alright, me hand it over now, cause I can't take it eat, yeah. So, I come out of the kitchen, you know. I can't take it too much to eat. See, me don't like to buy food out, you know, cause everybody cook their food a little different, you know. So, I like to cook my own. Know them really? Enough smoke come out of the pan, you know, people. That means it tastes good, you know, when it have smoke.